Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2. Swash. Swash and linkages. That's what's in the packet. Main shaft is in there. They don't work properly unless you give it the old. I do prefer the ones you can reseal. You know, there's going to probably be a lot of complaining on this one, but there's a lot of good points, but you can't reuse this. Like, you're all about the no ink and the fresh cardboard look, you know, trying to save a bit of cash here and there. Is this cheaper, is it? It's not reusable. We like reusable bags, Align. Let's use reusable bags. Alright, put this to the side. We're not doing main shaft yet. Swash. Let's have a look at it. It's nicely machined. So the inside race, it looks like a lesser quality of the alloys, I don't know. Or it could just be the anodizing. Nice writing on it. The writing, how they've etched it in there. It's really nice. Not a bad looking swash. Nice. It's a rubber sealed bearing, which I like. You don't need a metal seal on this one. Alright, we'll pull it apart. Alright, not really much to see here. Just probably speed it up through here. We'll get all the balls in. Now the balls look to be all the same. There's no different, so it doesn't matter where they go. Probably spot the mistake already. Yep. Good pickup, guys, good pickup. Reapply the Loctite. Now I've haven't put a TB70 together yet, so what I'm gonna do is leave the anti-rotation bracket loose. I'm not gonna Loctite it because I don't know what the plate looks like. Don't know if I can bend the plate out of the way. I'm just gonna leave it loose. These are RJX drivers, for those of you who are thinking what kind of drivers is he using. Quite happy with them. Probably the next set I'll get will be the big set. I don't have the smallest hands, but they do make a set that's quite larger. Been quite happy with the tips on it. Very happy. Very happy. All right. And then we'll just put this in loose so I know it's loose. No Loctite. That's ready to go. Turn the page. Now we've got arms. This is what I mean. I'm not sure if I like these arms because they've already set them. Let's see how well they set these in the factory. Get rid of the rubbish. Let's have a quick look. See if they're all the same. The groove indicates that they are a right and left hand thread. Okay. Groove to the top, groove to the bottom. Don't know. Whatever tickles your fancy. Do opposites if you want. Looks like we do have two longer ones in here. There we go. So these are set at roughly nearly 50. And these are at 58-ish. Alright, we'll speed this up. What are we after? Approximately 52 to the center on the big girls. 51.5. Be nice if they included a spanner. I wonder if I missed it. I wonder if I need to look in the parts box. Let's have a look here. That's what we're after. There are no wrenches in there. We do have an antenna mount, which is nice. That's a nice little touch for the for anyone's antennas. Nice touch. I think it's actually molded. It's not 3D printed. Thumbs up along. Keep this if you want. Try that over there. Servo horns. Don't need that where we're going. The thingy. The little thingy. That's it. Fresh units. Alright. You can go over there in the pile. We have to set this. It's not quite right. So 52s to center, right? I like to pick up the inside here like this. Pick it up. Pick up the outside here. So we pick it up and then we just put the tip in here. And it's 51.5. But when you look at these little A's denote that that's the back side. So the ball end goes in that side, not that side. So that's always the outside. Depending on how the swash goes and what pitch these are. See, the problem now is without a spanner, you've got to hold this and figure out which way we're going here. They're not even tight. You don't even really need it. Let's have a look here. So once we set one, once we get one right, bang on. Pretty close. Let's start there. We'll just measure the outside now. This one. So roughly 59.5. The other one's got to come out. Just going to go one turn. One turn's roughly 1/2 millish. Same. They were close. They were one turn out. One turn. Well, you could have just went like that. I don't know why they give you so many different bloody measurements in there, but this has got to be 32. 19.3. I'll go to the measurement they gave me for the center of the hole. Those two are done. It hasn't given me measurements for these yet. Put them to the side. So, bring our head back. It wants us to get the main shaft out. Right. Where'd I put it? Yeah. I've done the old snippy to the finger before. Blood, straight up. These things do not ask questions. Right, look at this thing. Look at the machining in this thing. 2 holes there, another hole here. We've got a step here. What are we doing, Align? What are we doing? That's up. That's bottom. All right. All right, so shaft is oily. Swash on. Head on. Woo! Mate. You'd lucky to have a thou clearance in there. Beautiful. Beautiful clamp fit. All right, now, looks like we can't spin them around, so take that off. Get your washout arms where they're meant to be, and then slide it on. Now, this is just temporary. This is all got to come off later to do. So we're going to come off later to do our pitch and leveling. So we'll put it together anyway. We'll clip these these washout arms on. Oh, these are tight. Nice. Listen to that. Listen to it again. Ready? Here we go. Oh, it's hard to line up. Sorry. Ready? Oh, yeah. All right. Let's get this bad boy on. Short lengths, short lengths. Now, these are going to be opposite, so what we need to do is, I'm just going to go out one more turn. I'm going to use my rings. I'm going to put my rings to the top. So, seems like the ring is at the top. That is the opposite thread, so that's a left-hand thread. This is a right hand. So we're going to go 180 degrees there. We'll do it to this one. 180 degrees. Now don't forget with turnbuckles, these can be fine-tuned later on. Right, once you have these two locked in, you can fine-tune it very small increments by just turning that around. With a spanner that's not supplied, and the heck should have been bigger because that's just a pain in the ass. What kind of spanner is going to fit on that? What do we got? 3 mil. Come on, fix that up. That's a fix. All right, let's snap these bad boys on. These are the hardest ones to get on, but the A facing the outside. It's a good sound. Comment below if you like that sound as well. It's a sound of something going in nice and firm. Just, I like it. Last one. Oh yeah. Oop. All right. Jesus bolt. Now, it has to come off again. Let's line it up. And which one was it? Let's see if these two are the same length. Same length, doesn't matter. They have machined it out for the nut, which is nice. Really? Take a look, guys. Most of them go in this side, right? So you've got everything together. We can't stick that in because, look at it. So now to take your head off, you've got to pop a link. Come on. Pain in my ass. Put it on the other side. Everyone's got long drivers. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. Don't put it there. Look where the nut is. Sorry for the complaining. This is a build video and I really want a line to fix their stuff. They don't seem to listen. I'm sick of them not listening. They think they know it all, but they don't. I'm telling you that right now. Doesn't need Loctite anyway. It's got a nylock on it. So that's that. It's all gonna have to come off again. That's annoying. Anyway, let's have a feel. The feel is good. The feel is good. Okay. Well, Still got a main spacer. We'll add that to there. And we've got other bolts, but they can stay there. We've got our main bolts in there. And what's our other bolt? Where did that come from? Anyway, we'll find out. It's got 2 Jesus bolts. Why? Is one not good enough? What are we doing that for? Anyway, I'm not going to put the second one in because it's got to come off again. I'll keep with the blade belts. We've got a Jesus bolt here that holds the rotor head, and then this one clamps. You can see it's got the split in there. It actually, that second one is the clamp. Don't know why. Okay. A lot of other guys with heads, I know Saab, they have a split further up, and the bolt, this actually acts, the washout arms act as the clamp, and that top bolt basically just holds it on. So these don't actually clamp, they just hold on. So that's why they've got 2 in. Okay, fair call, take that back. It's just shit spot. That concludes our head build, and with the Swash on main shaft. Thanks for stopping by. We've got the main assembly of we're basically staying the main frame on the next episode. So tune in if you enjoy what you're seeing. Ring the bell if you want notifications on when the next one's coming out, and subscribe, please. Any help you can give me, I appreciate. So thank you very much. See you next one.